actually really important when it comes to teaching reading strategies. So modeling and reading, it means showing something and then helping a student to do that thing. So it's not just showing, it's guiding the student to do something that otherwise would be very hard for the student. You might also hear the word scaffolding sometimes. Scaffolding is a similar concept where something is too hard for a student at first, but then the student gets guidance and the student is helped through the task. So modeling is actually used a lot in everyday life. So when you think about the idea of apprenticeships, the idea of internships, job shadowing, all of that is a form of modeling, where someone goes into a situation where someone's doing something that person wants to do, and that person learns from that person, first by that person showing them, and then that person having the chance to experiment and to learn that skill themselves. So the same is true in reading, and this is something that's not really discussed a lot in the reading world. There's kind of this idea in some circles, I've seen it said before, it's some social media groups and some videos that I've seen from people, that this idea that children teach themselves. And that's true to an extent. A child can pick up knowledge just by reading a book or now having videos or iPads, but at some point the child is going to have something that's too hard for them. And that's when modeling comes into play. And modeling can get a child much further than just sitting in front of a book or now video or a computer or AI. Modeling can help a child do something that's much harder for that child than usual. So modeling is used a lot, especially with reading and writing. Teaching strategies, which again, strategies are ways that help people to do tasks that again might be kind of hard for them usually. Strategies lead to a skill, and the skill are things like finding the main idea, summarizing. Strategies are kind of the bridge to that skill. So how do you model in reading?